Project 6, Quezon City. Mahilig ako kumain ng banana cue. May alaga akong aso, Sharpecia, ang pangalan niya si Douglas. And that was PBA Fast Break with me, Paulo Mendoza.
Second quarter is underway. Let's run through the fives here for both teams. Para sa Talk and Text, their import, Earl Ike. On the post-up play, good reverse. He's joined by Miller, Pablo, De Ocampo, and Belano. Para naman dito sa Realtors, bumalik na naman ang starting unit nila with Mendoza, Doremdes, Espino, the import, Raheem Brown, and si Ricky Calimag to replace Marlo Aquino.
Two fouls na kasi itong si Marlo Aquino. That's why they have to dig deep into their bench and get guys like Agapito and Calimag to pitch in.
Miller, they've been going to Earl Ike a lot at the post. There's a double team. Inside pass is deflected at Tambola. Babalik dito sa kupunan ng Realtors.
Paolo, yung first quarter total field goal statistics ng dalawang koponan. Santa Lucia, 32% itong Talk and Text phone pass, 25% lang. 5 out of 20. Kaya naman medyo mababa yung score natin at the end of the first quarter.
But both teams really not in full control of this ball game as Miller, it's a foot race coast to coast for Philip Miller.
Raheem Brown trying a bit too hard. Maganda siguro ikot niya ng konti muna yung bola at bago siya pumoste or bago niya lusutan itong kanyang defender, you can see it, nanggigigil na siya eh.
Goes right, this is off to his left. Talaga namang mukhang na-scoutan ito si Raheem Brown.
Holding down on number 8, Paulo Mendoza.
Paulo Mendoza will pick up foul number 2 here in the ball game. It's the side court inbound now for the phone foul. Miller, back to Belano.
Makikita mo, Paolo, nakasona na itong Santa Lucia Realtors.
And look at Victor Pablo just breaking down that zone defense.
At ganun ang kailangan mo. Drive ka at you hit the jump shot. That's the way to break that zone defense.
Espina's shot is thwarted. Fast break in the offing. And the phone foul starting to dial the right number here in quarter number 2.
Hirap na hirap sa opensa itong Santa Lucia Realtors. Lahat ng tira nila may challenge. Lahat ng tira may sumusubok pumalpal.
Only a 30-second timeout called here by Coach Al Francis Chua with 9:51 to play in quarter number 2 at ayaw niyang palakihan itong lamang ng Talk and Text.
Well, alam niya, Paolo, na once the phone pads get going, mahirap silang pigilin. At yun nga, they're struggling on offense, they're forcing their shots na nagli-lead into fast break points para dito sa Talk and Text phone pads. You wanna stop the momentum right away.
Alright, si Eric Reyes, mukhang maraming balita para sa atin ngayon. Eric?
Yes, Paolo. Well, I just discovered from the Talk and Text bench, no, they were able to invite over a shooting coach. His name is Dave Hopla. He's right there right now, no, sitting behind the bench of Talk and Text. He's here for like a week just to teach the players how to really shoot well and be a better all-around, player. Ang maganda kay Dave Hopla, he's been teaching para a lot of those NBA teams in the States, no? One of them is the Toronto Raptors. Tapos ang isa sa mga estudyante niya doon, si Vince Carter pa. Back to you, Paolo and Dominic.
Maraming salamat, Eric. Alam mo ito si Dave Hopla was really brought into town to help the Talk and Text side. I was able to watch one of his lectures kasi pumunta rin ito sa Ateneo sa Albeda just to give a session for those basketball players, and he is an excellent shooting coach. He's been doing this for the past 17, 18 years of his life. At partner, alam mo, this is a boom session namin that I was able to watch. He made 207 out of 209 shots while giving his lecture.
So tumitira siya habang nag-lecture.
Yes, unbelievable actually. But it's the little things that count really when you talk about shooting. Ang isang focus niya is actually really more on concentration at makikita natin yan mamaya. Yan po.
Yan ang si Dave Hopla. At napalitaan ko rin na sinuruan niya itong si Shaquille O'Neal. But that's not too good for his credentials kasi itong si...
Actually, just recently, nung umakyat yung free throw shooting ni Shaquille to mid-60s,
Oo.
that was when he started
Doon na
out.
siya nag-ano.
Doon siya nagsimula with Shaquille.
Tsaka may konti na yung C-switch daw dyan. Ang ginagawa daw ni Shaquille O'Neal, may nagbabantay sa kanya para mag-practice ng shooting. Ang ginagawa daw ni Shaquille, kinakausap niya yung nagbabantay sa kanya. So, binibigyan na lang niya ng pera para wag na manood.
That's Coach Dave Hopla. Well, let's see how it affects the shooting touch of Talk and Text in this ball game. Willie Miller swinging it around is Vic Pablo. De Ocampo swatted by the skyscraper.
Land of the Giants.
Laki. Ang lalaki ng mga player natin dito.
Well, these are two of the biggest teams dito sa ating liga. And that's why it's going to be very hard to get easy 2 points down low.
Willie Miller, isa pang TM3. Galing dito kay Willie Miller. Kalimag, 17 feet away. He's very confident. Taritis pa lang, ano?
Oh, Ricky Kalimag now with 4 points. And Paolo, itong si Ricky Kalimag, picked up from the RP Cebuana Luelaire team. At hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin siya umaalis doon. Nagpa-practice siya 2 beses isang araw for both teams. At makikita natin siya doon sa pocket tournament na paglalaroan ng ating RP team naman headed by Coach Scott Reyes. And he will be playing for that other RP team, the RP Cebuana Luelaire team.
Extra work
For
Kalimag, loving basketball. Anong evaluation natin so far dito sa nakita natin from both imports, Earl Ike and Raheem Brown?
Well, itong si Earl Ike, very strong underneath. Pero ang problema niya, yung free throw shooting talaga niya. He'll have to work on that because he's a strong presence down low. Ang problema, pag pinaul siya, he only makes 1 or 2 out of his free throws. Actually, isa lang yung average niya. He shoots about 50-55%. Para dito kay Raheem Brown naman, nang gigigil, gustong-gusto magpakita. 2 of our younger imports, itong si Raheem Brown is only 25. Ito namang si Earl Ike is 26 years old.
Alapag is back on the hard court. Amaso to Miller. 7 minutes to play here in quarter number 2. Miller, another outside attempt. Isa pang TM3. Dito kay Willie Miller, hindi tumapak sa linya. They'll only give him 2 points on that basket.
At Paolo, makikita mo yung patience itong Cole Foul. Maganda yung pagka-setup ni Jimmy Alapag off that zone defense na pinapakita ng Santa Lucia Realtors.
Again, they clogged that baseline.
He'll have to learn how to pass out a little bit quicker itong si Raheem Brown. He's attracting the defense. Ang problema, he's either forcing his shot or late na yung pagpasa niya.
There's Brown. Tumingin pa sa linya, partner.
Well, he could start doing that. Shoot from the outside. Hindi siya may help ng defense dyan. But that was only his second field goal out of 7 attempts.
(30-23), Full Pals now ahead by 7. Delbert Omolon slide in for a basket. Miller, Jimmy Alapag, now it's Earl Ike. Earl Ike with a lefty move.
And it's so hard to defend Earl Ike. Sobrang laki nga ng katawan niya. Hindi mo siya maurong. Ikaw yung umaatras every time he moves towards the basket.
Eyeball to eyeball with Camaso. Brown. Is a TM threat.
Paolo, yun yung sinasabi ko. Set up niya yung teammates niya. Pasa niya na mas maaga. That time, Paolo Mendoza with that 3-point shot.
That's exactly what you pointed out. This time, Yancy De Ocampo off the mark. Patrick Fran still has not seen action today sa mga veterano dito ng Talk and Text. 5:07 to play here. The second quarter, being in a bola ito si Brown. Swatted away, get it out of there.
Good defense by the Talk 'N Text Phone Pass. Yun yung sinasabi natin, Paolo. Kahit na inikot nila yung bola at galing sa kabilang side, pag spin niya baseline, tulong kagad si Earl Ike, palpal.
So, great help defense being displayed here by Talk 'N Text.
At hindi lang yung help defense, pati yung primary defense na binibigay nitong si Harvey Carey down low.
Well, again, a similar situation na kung saan nasupalpal itong si Marlo Aquino. Pero ang kanyang teammate, si Nelbert Omolon, was just lingering around. Check it out. Yan yung sinasabi mong double team and then the help defense. Pero nakawala ito si Omolon.
Well, that's one thing. Pagka maganda pagka yung baseline galing yung help, ang maganda naman dyan, kung ikaw yung offensive person, dapat mag-offensive rebound ka dun sa opposite side, dun sa weak side, kasi mabagal yung pag-rotate nun sa baba.
Earl Ike. Miller. He's been the hot hand here in quarter number 2. The pang TM threat galing dito kay Willie Miller.
Paolo, 13 points na itong si Willie Miller and 2 3-point shots in the game. 3 3-point shots itong si Willie Miller.
Aquino. Outside to Mendoza. Loose ball will be picked up by Alabag. It's 2-0. And then Miller will finish it off. Pumilis dito ang pace ng laro, no? Talk 'N Text starting to run the break. 37-30. Here's Brown. Balled up again. Clobbered by Earl Ike.
Walang kailangan gawin itong si Raheem Brown nga. Either take jump shots or subukan naman niya mag-spin towards the middle.
Fast break play, then the interception. Talk 'N Text is off again. Look at Camaso.
In a blink of an eye, Paolo, 11 points na ang kalamangan nitong Talk 'N Text Phone Pals.
41-30. And all of a sudden, the Phone Pals just running away with this lead here in the second quarter. We've got 3:30 to play. Full court pressure applied here by Talk 'N Text. Again, it's Duremdes magbababa ng bola. It's Pino back to Captain Marbel. Alam mo, si Duremdes has been quiet here in quarter number 2.
Well, hindi pa siya masyado nakakatanggap ng bola, Paolo.
And look, coming off a timeout, that's a good play. That's something Coach Al Francis Chua would want to see. Binigyan agad nila ng poste. Ito si Aquino.
At makikita mo, Paolo, medyo na late yung help defense. Kita mo, spin sa middle. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina. Nakita mo, nag-aabang na si Harvey Carey dun sa baseline. So kung nag-spin sa baseline, baka napalpal yun o nag-iba yung tira niya. But he took it quick to the middle and he got a shot and the foul.
Camaso with a Kalawit rebound, really getting those rebounds way up high. Camaso. All movement para sa Phone Pals. Alabag. Swish. Umaarangkada na dito ang kupunan ng Talk 'N Text. 44-32. They're on top by a dozen. Duremdes. Outside to Mendoza. Now it's Espino. Ayaw pa rin. 3-on-2 fast break play. Alapag to Carey and Camaso. The Talk 'N Text Phone Pals now playing beautiful music on the break.
With their biggest lead in the game, Paolo, 14 points. Aquino chipping away on this lead of the Talk 'N Text Phone Pals. Paolo, kanina, Talk 'N Text was on a 26-13 run at 12 points doon galing kay Willie Miller. 12 points sa second quarter alone.
Kaya yung talagang uminit para sa white shirt.
Offensive foul dito kay Earl Ike, second personal foul.
Sino bang nagsabi na nagre-recover pa ito si Willie Miller?
Dito natin si Coach Joel Banal still intently watching his boys at yung depensa sigurado tinitignan niya.
Paulo Mendoza short. tumatakbo dito ang Toketex. Pagod na si Marlo Aquino, hindi bumababa. Good. Duremdes was able to get the block.
Still tumulong.
Still walking down the court. It's only now he got to the other side.
A little bit winded. The past 3 times kasi down the floor, Paolo siya ang tumira. And it takes a lot out of him pag umu-opensa siya, especially with big guys and the way the defense of the Toketex Phone Pass is playing it.
De Ocampo, 6'9" against Aquino, 6'9". The two tall centers going at it, and De Ocampo will get the jump shot. "12 seconds on the shot clock. Omolon driving and attacking the defense.
Giving a different look itong Santa Lucia Realtors. Ngayon na nakaupo ang kanilang import na si Raheem Brown. So yung depensa ngayon ng Phone Pass, nanguhula kung sino yung titira.
Omolon biglang sumabsak at
Well, he had the right idea. Mas mabilis siya laban dito kay Harvey Carey. So he took it quick to the basket at medyo na late. Ang help nitong si De Ocampo was called for the foul.
And now back in the rotation for Coach Joel Banal. Itong si Mark Telan, Victor Pablo coming off the bench, and it looks like, alam mo, pagdating sa big men, napakaganda ng rotation dito para sa Phone Pass.
Well, alam na alam gamitin itong si Coach Joel Banal ang kanyang mga malalaking mga manlalaro. Kaya naman, pagpasok nila, alam nila yung kailangan nilang gawin.
Pablo, top of the key. Now, Jimmy Alapag sizing up the defense of Paulo Mendoza. Nilabas dito kay Miller with 3 seconds on the shot clock. Alapag throws up a prayer. Nakaswerte dito ang Phone Pass. They retain possession.
Another offensive rebound, Paolo, para dito sa Phone Pass.
At hihingi ng 30-second timeout ang Phone Pass. The talk is over with 16 seconds on their shot clock, 38 seconds on the game clock. At Willie Miller, Miller is on fire dito po sa second quarter. Hindi na po kumakasya yung yung mga puntos dito sa ating score sheet.
15 points pa in the second quarter.
He's come up with 4 3-pointers in the ball game.
Siguro nakita niya yung stat nito si Kenneth Duremdes last game. 7 out of 11. Mukhang gusto niyang pantayan or hindi man lampasan yung stat na yun ni Duremdes.
Alapag, 6 seconds on the clock. Here's Telan. De Ocampo ends the quarter. It'll not fall in. Pero ang kupunan ng Phone Pass talagang nakalamang na dito sa second